इफ़ यू आर इन Kuala Lumpur for just 2 days तो आप क्या ही कर सकते हो? सोचो तो कुछ भी नहीं, पर चाहो तो काफ़ी कुछ. Our trip to Malaysia was marred by rainfall, but we made the most of our 2 days in KL. And this is everything we did. Enjoy the last vlog of our Singapore and Malaysia series. Welcome to Detox. After spending 2 exciting days in Genting Highlands, we left for Kuala Lumpur or KL. A special shout out to Tourscope Holidays for managing our holidays so perfectly. I'm leaving their contact details in the description box below in case you want to contact them. We booked a cab through Grab app. Acha, ye Grab app works both in Singapore as well as Malaysia, so that's a nice thing. It's very convenient, and no matter how long the waiting is, the drivers do not cancel the trip. And see, it was a lady driver who came to pick us up, and what a wonderful driver she was. क्या मस्त स्पीड से गाड़ी दौड़ाई, वो भी हिल्स पर, और सेफली पहुंचा दिया हमें होटल कॉनकॉर्ड केएल.
There are literally 2 places to take a bath.
तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास बाथरूम. आर्य इज गोइंग टू शो द वॉशरूम. ही इज एक्साइटेड. एक यहाँ पे है वॉशिंग एरिया. ओह देयर इज अ टब आल्सो.
This was a room, and just look at the view. That's Petronas Twin Tower right there.
We can see Twin Tower.
हमें आफ्टरनून में निकलना था बाटू केव्स. Batu Caves is one of the biggest tourist attractions, especially for Indian tourists. So we decided to quickly have our lunch. We were staying in KLCC area, which is the hub of activities in KL. This view doesn't leave you if you are in KLCC, where on one side you can see the Petronas Twin Tower and on the other the KL Tower, which is the tallest building in the world. You'll find all the 5-star hotels and big malls in this area. There are a lot of cafes and eating joints here, और यहाँ Indian खाना easily available है. लेकिन कहते हैं ना, man proposes and God disposes. हमारे साथ इस ट्रिप पे continuously ये हो रहा था. It started with light drizzle and देखते ही देखते it turned into a heavy downpour. बड़े मुश्किल से हम होटल वापस पहुंचे and we had to cancel our trip to Batu Caves. और बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि फिर क्या किया. बारिश रुकने का इंतज़ार किया रात होने तक and kept praying for a clearer morning next day. But morning was no different. Weather was gloomy and so were we. क्योंकि आज हमारा लास्ट डे था केएल में. आइटिनरी से काफ़ी चीज़ें हम ड्रॉप कर चुके थे. Now all we could do was pray. और at last भगवान ने हमारी सुन ली.
Our second in Malaysia, but technically our first day, because our first day, which was yesterday, was marred by heavy rain, so we could not make use of our day. हमने पूरा दिन अपना वेस्ट ही किया. हम कहीं घूमने नहीं गए, कुछ भी नहीं कर पाए. So आज thankfully the weather is a little kind. It's a little sunny, a little cloudy. तो आज हम घूमने निकले हैं. We were supposed to go to Batu Caves, but we cancelled it because it's a little too far, and Arya wanted to go to the Aquaria, so we are now headed towards Aquaria. और ये है KL City. ये है हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ स्कूटर स्केट्स, जिसको आप कभी भी हायर कर सकते हैं बाय स्कैनिंग अ QR code over here. And you can avail it. Like this.
When you're traveling with a child and time की कमी हो, तो you have to do what your child wants to do. Arya wanted to visit the Aquaria, which is a state-of-the-art aquarium. It was walking distance from our hotel, तो weather और KL city के views enjoy करते करते हम पहुंच गए Aquaria. Honestly, we hadn't expected this to be so much bigger and so much fun. Aquaria exhibits the aquatic creatures and aquamarine world beautifully, and it is a delightful place for children.
Go inside. Go
Turn
inside.
around, turn. Now, हल्के से उठ जाओ.
यहाँ पे छोटी, बड़ी, लंबी, पतली हर तरह की मछलियाँ थी. The most exciting part is the tunnel called the Living Ocean. A conveyor belt takes you around and you can see various kinds of fishes, baby sharks, stingrays, sea turtles, etc. and divers also along with them. You can also spot wrecked ships and anchors with seaweed on them, which must have been put there to make it look more realistic. And divers saying hello to the kids. I'm gonna make a separate video on Aquaria because shoot काफ़ी किया था लेकिन vlog बहुत लंबा हो जाता, so I used very little footage. इसलिए a separate video. This was the last leg of Aquaria. The tunnel opens into a souvenir shop जहाँ से आप goodies ले सकते हैं और मैंने भी थोड़ी सी shopping की. It was almost lunchtime and we were famished, so we walked towards Petronas, which is a stone's throw from Aquaria. Arya wanted to use my camera and he made us walk towards it. There is a huge mall next to Petronas called the Surya KLCC, and there are a lot of cafes around it. And this lakeside is where the light and sound show happens every evening. We went to this cafe called The Dome and had a long lunch before heading out for KL Tower. KL Tower, also known as Minara KL, is 421 meters tall. There are different packages to go up on the deck. We skipped the observatory at the lower deck because it was an enclosed deck and had obstructed views. We went to the sky deck and included Skybox in our package.
It is showing the height, 200 meters. TH 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, really.
We are here at KL Towers.
Skybox.
Watch your steps.
Now, Skybox is a glass box protruding out of the tower on which you can walk and click, and you'll see all of that in a bit. There are two skyboxes, box 1 facing the Petronas Twin Towers and box 2 faces Merdeka Square. You have the option to pick a box of your choice. We chose box 1 facing the Petronas. If you're here in the evening, then I would recommend you opt for box 1 because you'll catch the beautiful golden light of the setting sun. और pictures बहुत अच्छी आएंगी. There's always a long wait here for the photo op, and the waiting time is around half an hour. Stepping inside the skybox was scary at first, which is but natural.
Oh my goodness.
Come, stand.
But why glass?
Then the adrenaline takes over. We felt as if we were floating in the air. The feeling is beyond words.
Alright, take a seat down.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit.
Oh my god, look where we
Alright, you
are.
ready? Look at the camera right here. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Alright, thumbs up. 3, 2, 1. And family hugging. Last one. Ready?
Oh, yes.
In 3, 2, 1.
You can see the world below you and, of course, the panoramic views of the city and the skyline. And just look at the light of the magic hour on my face. We enjoyed a beautiful sunset on the deck. It was magical. KL Tower ticked off the list. We left for KLCC Surya once again to witness yet another light show. The whole show was mesmerizing. In spite of the fact that it was a weekday, the place was bustling. I could sit here by the lake and watch the fountains dancing to the music all night. लेकिन हमें नहीं पता था कि फाउंटेन्स की बौछार की पहुंच कहां तक है. We had planned to have our dinner by the lakeside cafe, but we were half drenched. Calling it a day and going back to the hotel seemed the only viable option. Today was our last day in KL and also the last day of our trip. We had reserved this day for Petronas Tower and shopping. क्योंकि हमारी फ्लाइट लेट इवनिंग थी एंड वी हैड द होल डे टू अस. Least did we know that we were to feel disappointed yet again. When we reached the Petronas Twin Tower at the ticket counter, we were informed that all the slots for the next 1 week was sold out. So if you want to visit Petronas, make it a point to book your tickets at least 15 days in advance. We left for Bukit Bintang to shop, but would you believe our luck? The entire market was closed. So भैया लौट के बुद्धू वापस सूर्या KLCC मॉल आए.
Hold my hand.
Hello. Today is our last day in Malaysia.
We have only a couple of hours over here, so we thought of making the most of it by doing some shopping.
यही एक जगह है जो safest and foolproof option है to shop. It's a huge mall and you will find almost all the luxury brands here. कई ब्रांड्स तो ऐसे थे जिनके नाम मैंने पहली बार देखे थे. We did some shopping here. Thankfully, we found everything we needed and were looking for. So that was a saving grace. काफ़ी देर मॉल घूमने के बाद लंच किया and we went back to the hotel to collect our luggage because it was time to leave for the airport. 8 days went by in a jiffy. Now it was time to go back home to India with hearts full of emotions and memories to last this lifetime.
Our bags are packed and we are ready to go back to India. It was a wonderful trip. हालांकि बहुत सारे हमारी चीज़ें छूट गई देखने के लिए और बारिश की वजह से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हमारी छूट गई, but nonetheless there's always a next time. So yeah, this marks the end of our trip. We are leaving for the airport. Malaysia से हमारी direct flight है दिल्ली के लिए and then off to Jaipur. Back to work, back to business. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the series as much as I enjoyed shooting and narrating it to you and reliving our vacation through it. If you like my vlogs, then do not forget to subscribe, like and share and support me in my journey. See you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care and bye.